Hello everyone! Today you'll see how to weave a ribbon rug. I'll show you how to weave a rug from the very beginning. You need to sew or fasten 3 ribbons together. We braid together 6 to 7 centimeters long ribbons. After this, we need to form a circle. There are 3 ribbons and you need to add 3 more ribbons to weave the rug correctly. Your ribbons can be any color. First, we find a weight to keep our weaving from moving. We always weave from right to left. Let's start weaving. We weave the first ribbon over the ribbon, then under the ribbon, and again over the ribbon, then under the ribbon. After this, we need to fasten this ribbon on the circle. We fasten 2 or 3 ribbons to the circle in the same hole. We continue to weave the rug in the same way. The design of the rug depends on the color of your ribbons. It can be bright and colorful or it can be in comb colors. It all depends on your color preferences and your mood. Try to create your own rug.